burns.
So you wouldn't masturbate on cameras for some woman in South Carolina?
No.
Okay. Just checking.
Unless-
I'll delete the video then.
I was just gonna say, unless that was you.
Whose phone's ringing?
Mine?
It's definitely not a ringtone.
Maybe it was Dutch. It's 5 grade
Shink.
The chili fix it. Oh, I see it.
You killing it, Kev? Oh yeah, actually.
What the?
I don't know if I go that far, Errol. What's the time?
3:30.
Okay. Try and stay up. We'll help you. Unless you want to do a bonus. What's the time?
3:25.
Yeah.
Sure.
Put down the bonus.
Probably announced a year, hey?
Yeah.
Be careful on your exit. 2, 6.
Don't enter 6 though. You gotta come through here.
And go around town and then 6.
You know what I'm saying?
There you go.
Or to the floor. Or to 6. Whatever you want to do. 6 is right there.
2:45.
Is it up here or is that too slippery?
I got up at. You go up to side 8.
Time?
2:30.
Nice.
Nice.
Sweet.
That was cool.
This is 6, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And 7, you gotta come back across here. Get over here and see what you're doing. You're coming down into it. I know.
2 minutes.
So you're saying they got some time?
That's not good.
No, it's not.
That's not even not gooder.
That's not much gooder. As far as being not good.
You can do that all day.
Yeah.
You can blow a few
Well, at least
minutes.
for 3 more minutes.
There you go.
1:30.
Oh. You crazy Dutch bastard. It looks like the rhino's cock's in the way. You can progress it, aren't you?
Yeah.
You fudgy fudger.
Over here.
Going that way.
Time.
1:05.
105.
Plow it right into that fucking hole. Park it.
Damn it.
Shoot the moon.